Hello, how are we doing this morning?
Fine, how are you?
Good. Can I close this or would you like it open?
Yeah, you shut it.
All right, sounds good. My name's Keali. It's nice to meet you.
Hi, Sam.
Hi. I am with ITEC 451 Supply.
Okay.
It's a big industrial distributor. I'm supposed to be with Kais today. Do you know if he's going to be joining us in this meeting or not?
Yeah, no, he's gone.
He's gone.
So
Okay.
you're not with IBT?
No, I'm not.
Oh. Oh, sorry. That guy told me he was here to talk to Kai, so okay.
Do I look like a Ken Prettyman?
I don't know. Talk to that guy, sure.
Well, so obviously you weren't expecting me and I wasn't expecting you, so I guess we just need to start at square one.
Yeah.
So I am not with IBT, I'm with ITEC 451 Supply, like I previously mentioned. It's just a giant industrial distributor. We can sell anything from HVAC products to different plastic products. I'm part of the MRO department. So anything you need maintenance, repair, operation wise,
Mhm.
I can go from bolts to vending machines, which actually is what I was going to talk to Case about, but you probably don't know why I'm going to talk to him about that.
Yeah.
So Sam, what is your role with ordnance?
So I run the tool crib. Yeah, so everything that comes in from supply side. If a maintenance guy needs something, they come to me, I check it out to them type of deal. So
Right.
I just run the tool crib on that side.
I've worked with a lot of tool crib managers before, so there's different things, obviously.
Who'd you work with in the past then?
Just other tool cribs. So there's BD. We've worked with their tool crib before, Beckman Dickerson in Columbus. We've also worked with the Sustainable Beef Plant in North Platte, getting their tool crib set up, and because they're still in their beginning processes right now. They just finished construction in mid-May and have been running, and now they're getting really into production. So working with their tool crib, understanding what their needs are and different problems that they may run into. So just a whole bunch of different. There's also we run a tool crib in Hastings at like one of the we have an on-site in Hastings at one of the manufacturers.
Is it a TL?
No.
It's not a TL. Okay, gotcha.
No. So you run the tool crib. Can you give me maybe a day by day of what you see in the tool crib, what you work with, stuff like that?
Yeah, so basically what I'm working with is, we need something on the maintenance side, maintenance guy, I need this, do that. And then if it's, on the shelf, I'll get an order, and, tell me to order it. And then I can order it from what we buy it before. So
Yeah. Do you work with the tools at all? Like, do you rent out tools? Are they just already out on the
No.
floor?
No, I'm just doing production on that
The
side.
production side,
Yes.
awesome. So you probably have some different types of bolt bins, stuff like that that you work with, or are those
I mean, I
also
have
on the
my own.
floor? You have your own, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like how it's set up? Like, do you have to call in to your current supplier and order bolts that or nuts or any fasteners that you run low on?
I mean, it's just on a system. Once
It
I
is
hit
on a
it,
system.
once I just hit, say I got 100 bolts, once it hits into that 50 range, it just, alerts me to automatically order it. So then I order it from our, supplier that we're doing it now. So
Yeah.
yeah.
All right. So you're on probably an RFID system or the push button system?
It's actually on a scale button.
A scale button, okay,
Like
yeah.
Scale system, sorry.
Yeah.
That scale system is.
Yeah, once like you hit the certain laser point, like it gets low enough, sends it
No,
off.
all weight.
Just all weight, okay.
Yeah, all weight based.
Yeah. So do you also have to work with any type of paper products or
No.
cleaning supplies, like any of that? Like,
Nope.
so a lot of maintenance, I'm hearing.
Yeah, just the production and the maintenance side when it comes to that.
Perfect. Sorry, I got really just right into business here. I didn't even really get to know you, I guess. So obviously tool crib, but just personal life wise, like what are some interests that you have?
Well, I like football.
Like football.
Yeah, I'm a Chiefs fan. We lost.
Yeah, to the
Broncos
Broncos, I
suck.
seen it, yeah.
Broncos suck. Um,
See, my
other,
mom was happy about that.
otherwise, like the golf, and that's about it.
Yeah.
It's my life.
Do you watch any like the golf tournaments that are on? Like
No, I just like playing it.
my dad likes to put those on to make my mom fall asleep.
I need to do that for my wife.
Yeah. It makes it he can watch and then she can take a nap, so it works out well with that. So you're not a big hunter or anything,
Nope, never shot again.
really?
Mm-mm.
Hmm. I just didn't know opening season for rifles was last weekend, so I didn't know if you went out there. And...
Oh, was it? No idea.
Yeah. Well, sorry, got a little off track there. So you really just you already have a great bolt system set up that's similar to what we also offer. Just so you don't really have to worry about going through ordering it, taking those extra steps. It's something that we do, and it sounds like your current supplier is also doing.
So wait, you guys do the ordering of it?
So our bolt bins, we can also do scale or we can do RFID, which is like a two bin system. So the two bin system, essentially, you have two bins of the exact same product. And so when the first one is done, you can stick it up above. There's an RFID system or a little chip, and it sends a signal to us to let them know that they're out of, or you guys are out of one bin. So we can immediately come out next day or two. We usually like to keep stock of our customers, what they have. And anyway, we would get that notification that, hey, these guys are down to their bin, like down one bin. So
you guys are getting notification?
So we like to track all of the usage reports, and you guys also would have access to that. So you can see how often you're going through certain products. So like let's say you're working more on the tillage side and you're going through a certain bolt more than if you were working on like a harvesting side, like a swather head, if that makes sense.
Yeah, so right now I have a 1 inch U-bolt that I've been dealing with. Can't get it from our current supplier, but you guys are saying you guys can get it now. You guys have stock of it, or what are you talking about?
Did you give me the dimensions of that?
Yeah, it's a 1 inch diameter U-bolt, and it's just a 90-degree bend.
Now, I don't know exactly if we have it. So we have different hubs around distribution hubs around the US. So I can definitely, when I get back to my computer,
So where
I
are you
can,
based out of then?
so I'm here in Kearney.
You're here in Kearney. Do you have distribution here?
Yeah, so we have a distribution center here, and then so that's just like a storefront or a branch location is another good term for it. So we service customers in the area. We can go all the way over to Lexington. Obviously, you guys are in Lexington. We could go up north to Broken Bow if we want to.
Would that come out of yours?
The U-Bolt.
Yeah.
So we
So
could get it.
I'm out of Lexington, so everything
Right.
would be coming out of your place in Kearney. Correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Well, what about the line down situation? Do you guys offer anything like 24/7? What did
So me as the sales rep position, I do kind of keep my phone on from 6 to 10. Those are my normal operating hours. Do you guys have multiple shifts? Are you running
Yeah,
24/7?
24/7.
You are 24/7. Okay. So that
So
would
you're
be
only 6 to 10. So if I call you, hey, I need 30 volts now.
like 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay.
Like so I try to keep up most of the day, but unfortunately I do have to sleep. I wish I could be just a powerhouse where I'm running 24/7 as well. But we can keep usage records so we can see how low you're getting and we can try to make sure like if you don't want to get below 50 like you were saying, we have sensors that will tell us when you're getting to 50 and we can immediately come out, so you never really have to worry about stock out, hopefully. The line down situation, it would be a little harder with you guys being 24/7 for me to personally serve you 24/7, but I will definitely keep track of your records and your reports and make sure that you guys don't have to run into that problem. We can try to be more proactive than reactive.
You guys are tracking it.
So yeah, so ITEC 451, our system can track it, yeah.
So your system tracks our inventory.
Okay. Only the stuff only the inventory that is coming from us, yes.
Okay. then I can't change it anymore, or what's that about? Because that's the biggest issue. Just hearing that right now. If you guys have access to our inventory and you guys can't get me a bolt in 24/7, I gotta go somewhere else. But if you guys are tracking our inventory, that's where I'm
So-
confused.
Okay. Sorry, let me re-explain. So we have the ability to track your inventory that is coming from us. You also have access to that. So like after the month is up, you can see what usage you go through.
Okay.
So we both have
Where's that data
access.
go then?
That data, like,
Yeah, do you guys just keep it, or is it
we can keep it on file. You guys can keep it too.
are you guys sharing that with anybody else? Okay.
Because those are some different industry secrets that we have taken pride in not explaining it to other customers because that is unfair to your business and we like to remain trust with our customers. So this 1-inch U-bolt that you're having trouble finding.
Yes.
Not trying to backtrack or anything.
Fine.
But this is something that if it is in our hubs, which are different than our branch locations, our hubs, they supply multiple branches throughout their area. So our branch or our hub that we mainly come out of is in Kansas City. So we get that next day, essentially. We put in an order, we get it next day. So if you want.
So I can get that 1-inch U-bolt next day?
If it is in that hub, yes.
Okay.
So I don't know the availability off the top of my head, unfortunately.
What's shipping look like on that then?
Shipping,
You guys offer free shipping?
so it's dependent on the customer and the branch and their usage. So for some of our bigger customers, we can waive those shipping costs because we're using our own truck. So usually those shipping costs are very, very low. The only difference is if it's not in any of our hubs across the United States and we have to get it from a vendor, sometimes we can't always waive those shipping costs. But on the flip side, we do have trucks that can go to certain vendors. We are very big throughout the United States, so we have that ability to use our trucks and waive those shipping costs depending on customer usage.
So you can waive all your shipping costs with me. That's what I'm hearing.
Not all of them.
Okay.
And with you until we understand where our relationships lie with one another.
Well, that guy offered me free shipping on everything, so okay.
Yeah.
Nice to know.
And I'm glad that he can do that for you, but that's not something that we have worked up quite yet, but it's up for discussion. Just because we can use our own trucks, which is really nice. But yeah, if you want, I can meet you later this week. How about Thursday around 1? And I can tell you if we can get those U-bolts in, unless you want it to be earlier. I would actually love your contact information.
Yeah, here, I can get my card out.
So then I can let you know when I get back to my computer if we have this U-bolt available. Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, if you can give me that U-bolt, that'd be great.
Yeah, I would let you know. I can let you know in the next couple of hours. And then if we want to set up a meeting for later this week and we can talk about how you want to keep that U-bolt, how often you want to keep stock of that, how much stocks, different numbers like that.
Okay.
All right, so let's say this Thursday, which would be the 20th, correct? Trying to do it off the top of my head.
Yeah.
The 20th, perfect. 1 p.m.?
That won't work, no.
Would you prefer early morning or afternoon?
Let's do it 9:30 at night.
9:30 at night?
Yeah, that's the only time I can do it on Thursday.
You are a busy man, aren't you?
I'm very busy.
Would it work better to do it Friday instead then?
Yeah.
Friday, perfect. So the 21st. And a good time for you then?
Let's do it at 2.
2 p.m., perfect. Well, it was great meeting you today, Sam.
Yeah,
I hope I can get all this information to you I will get all this information to you as quickly as possible. And I hope we have some good future steps in our play.
Yeah.
All right. Thank
Nice
you
meeting
so
you.
much. You have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Open or shut?